Hi everyone, this is Odyssey. Welcome back to my channel. This would be the continuation of my last vlog, which is winter tips. Ito naman, pag-uusapan natin ngayon is winter blues. Paano ba girl natin malalagpasan ang winter together, ganyan. I'm assuming no, andito ka na sa Germany, first winter maybe, and then you ask yourself, no girl, bakit ang dali ko malungkot? Girl, bakit naiiyak-iyak ako? Girl, asan yung araw? Bakit laging malamig? Bakit laging graw? Bakit laging madilim na lang dito? It's really easy to be on that dark bubble, especially nag-adjust ka pa, and especially hindi nga tayo sanay sa ganitong weather kasi sa atin naman, 'di ba? As I always say, we came from a tropical region, so yung pag-adjust na to for winter is a big adjustment din para sa atin. These days, no, this past few weeks, I was also in a low energy kasi, ayun na nga, nag-a-adjust ako sa work. So, may mga days talaga na parang I feel good. May days din talaga na parang, girl, kaya na anong talaga. So, but I want us to talk about today winter depression, also known as seasonal affective disorder or seasonal depression. Kasi this is very common sa cold countries like dito nga sa Germany, Sweden, Finland, Norway. Especially dun sa mga countries na yun, no, minsan talagang nagna-negative 30 pa sila. So, they also have extreme winter. And ang representation ng sun, diba, parang ang ganda, lahat colorful, ang saya, ganyan. And then, ayun na nga, pag winter, really, ang silent ng paligid, ang dilim, ang lamig. So, in a way, naapektuhan din yung thoughts natin. By the way, hindi lahat ng thoughts natin totoo, ha? Kasi minsan, may mga thoughts tayo na gusto lang tayong paiyakin. Charot. So, I really want you to be aware of these things kasi sa totoo, wala naman tayong control about these seasons. Wala tayong control sa winter. But how we react to it, how we respond to it, no? Yun yung kaya nating i-control. So, let's go ahead and talk about it today. So, number 1, connect with purpose. I am putting emphasis on the word with purpose. Kasi technically, you wanted to feel, no? Pag andun ka sa dark bubble na hindi ka nag-iisa, na meron nagko-comfort sa'yo, na merong nag-cheer sa'yo, na girl, kaya mo yan, girl, malalagpasan mo yan. Eh, ang layo nga ng friends mo, wala ka nga ng family dito. I know that feeling na gusto mong mag-vent out at ilabas yung nararamdaman mo, but do it with purpose and do it with chosen people. Hindi yung lahat girl nakamarites sa'yo. Reach out to a friend, no? Kahit simple message lang yan. Last week, for example, one of my friends randomly nag-post lang siya sa group chat namin and then she asked, masaya ba kayo? Yung mga ganong life update lang kumbaga. Initiate a conversation about life update from you. Ano yung bago sa'yo, ganyan. And don't expect din naman na mag-reply sila agad. Kasi sa totoo, lahat naman tayo, no, may kanya-kanyang battles, may kanya-kanyang pinagdaraanan, may kanya-kanyang pinagbirisihan. But the fact na you're able to initiate that conversation would already help you a lot. Now, I'm saying connect with purpose kasi you wanted to connect with people who really matters, who are in your inner circle. Kasi kahit i-broadcast mo yung nararamdaman mo, no, sa social media, naka 100 likes ka, naka 100 likes ka, naka 20 comments ka, no, ang daming nag-message sa'yo, ganyan. Pero kung hindi nag-message yung best friend mo or yung someone na special sa'yo, wala yan. Walang katumbas yung 100 likes na yan. Walang katumbas yung mga nag-comment na yan. Yung pala, nakimarites lang talaga siya, girl, sa'yo. So, again, do it with purpose and do it with your own inner circle. Second, parallel play. Parallel play is a term used for children. Halimbawa, they are in one room, no? So, magkatabi silang naglalaro, pero hindi sila magkalaro. So, halimbawa, yung isa nagpa-puzzle, yung isa nagdo-drawing, yung isa nagba-basketball. They are in one room, pero they don't affect each other's behavior. They don't affect each other's play. In translation to adult, we can do this, for example, sa coffee shop, sa library, sa park. So, kumbaga, hindi ka nag-iisa, but you are in a room setting with different people. Sa totoo naman talaga, di ba? Minsan may mga araw talaga or may mga times talaga, wala tayo ng social battery, wala tayo ng energy for a social conversation. But you don't want to be alone. So, you are in a room setting na may nakikita kang ibang tao. Kasi girl, kung maglulugmok ka na lang dyan sa kwarto mo, iiyak ka na naman, walang mahahantungan. Kumbaga, yung yung pagkulong mo dyan sa kwarto. So, if you are not into, wala ka ng energy na makipag-usap, pero ayaw mo din namang mag-isa, then maybe going to a cafe or kahit sa grocery, no? Para lang may makita kang ibang tao without that kind of pressure na gusto mong makipag-usap sa isang tao. When you sit in a cafe, no, be comfortable na maging bored ka. Kasi for me, no, halimbawa, ang tagal ko nang gamit yung phone ko, talagang nakaka-drain din, tapos na overstimulate ka, and ang dami-daming naiisip, ang dami-dami mong nakikita. Parang just enjoy the moment. So halimbawa, nasa cafe ka, ganyan, hawak mo lang yung mug mo, feel mo yung warmth ng mug, inom ka, ganyan, tapos mag-people watch ka lang, or may dala ka halimbawa ng book, may dala kang journal, ganyan. Something na parang just be comfortable na maging bored ka, na mag-relax ka lang, hindi yung ang dami-dami mong naiisip. So ganyan, people watch ka na, ay, ang fashionista naman ni Lola, ay, ang gwapo naman ni Kuya, ay, ang ganda naman ng curls ni ate girl. Ganun. Nay, napakaliwanag naman. Ano ba naman to? Parang, ayun na nga. So, nagpakita si Aring Araw. Akala mo naman, sabi ko pa naman, ang graw-graw. Hi! So, yun na nga. So, in a way, you would not feel alone, pero hindi ka din pressure makipag-usap. Kasi sa totoo, it can be really draining, lalo pa pag hindi complete yung social battery mo, parang hindi handa yung social energy mo na sa ibang tao. So, parallel play, that's the term. Number 3 is help a stranger. Now, just randomly, no, it doesn't have to be a big gesture. Hindi naman sinabing mag-acrobat ka dyan para mapasaya mo yung isang tao. Yung tipong halimbawa, nakismile ka sa nakasalubong mo, hi, guten morgen, ganyan. Or napagbuksan mo yung door nung yung matanda kasi hirap na hirap sa grocery niya or sa rollator niya, ganyan. These small deeds, these act of kindness, no, that initiate that human connection sa atin. That sense of purpose, kumbaga, na it doesn't have to be big, pero alam mong nakatulong ka in your own little way, it would really gets you off in a bad mood. Lalo pa pag ang balik sa'yo, no, na, ay, Dankeschön, oh, das ist ganz nett von dir, du bist ganz lieb, ganyan. Danke, no? Parang nakakagaan ng loob pag alam mong nakatulong ka, even not in a big way, pero yung mga small acts of kindness lang. 4th, small conversation. It can be really random sa bus, no? Halimbawa, nakaupo ka, tapos sabi nung katabi mo, das Wetter na. Reply ka, girl. Yan na, es ist unangenehm. Oh. Parang 'di ba may acknowledgement dun sa feelings na pinagdaraanan nyo together. At sa totoo naman talaga, pag raw naman talaga, alam, masabihin mo na, ay, ang ganda ng weather, hindi. Although may mga tao, no, na they like yung ganitong weather, yung ulan, ganyan, ang gusto nila. Pero here and there, syempre, gugustuhin mo din naman na magkaroon ng araw. So, kumbaga, with that kind of acknowledgement, no, na hindi ka nag-iisa, na yung nararamdaman mo ay girl, nararamdaman din ng isa, ganyan. And it really doesn't technically have to be deep na kwento mo na yung buong buhay mo kasi girl, hagulhol ka niyan. Pero even a small conversation, even a small compliment sa colleague mo na, ay, girl, ang ganda ng lipstick mo. Saan mo yan nabili? Ay, bagay sa'yo. Puts people in a better mood. And that energy, no? Ay, pag sinabihan kang maganda, hindi ka matutuwa. Pag sinabihan kang gwapo, hindi ka matutuwa. Diba? Parang na-boost yung confidence mo. Tapos na good mood ka. In a way, you would give back that same good energy dun sa taong nag-compliment sa'yo. So, win-win tayo. There are also people, no, na parang walking on sunshine lang, na kinumusta mo lang, ay girl, ang dami na ng kwento, lahat ata ng kakatawang nangyari sa kanya ng weekend, girl, best in action pa yan na kwento. Lean on to those kind of people too. So that energy na he or she gives off, no, when you're getting that, diba, ang gaan sa feeling. So hopefully this will help you navigate through winter blues. Iba-iba naman yung pinagdaraanan natin, iba-iba din yung problema, iba-iba din yung coping mechanism natin. Pero I want you to know na girl, hindi ka nag-iisa. So, wag ka diyang maglugmok sa kwarto, lumabas ka. Kahit mga very short period of time lang, makita mo lang ang ibang environment, hindi lang yung pillow mo. So, there you go. I know it's hard, but so is life. So, kailangan lang nating sakyan ang buhay. So, thank you so much for being with me today. Thank you always for dreaming with me. This has been Odyssey, and I hope I'll see you in the next Cheese! Girl, babakasyon ako. Hanapin ko si Araw. Bye!